A big hello to all. Happiness is like our shadow, always with us. It is an overwhelming feeling of joy and gladness that varies for each person. It is the ride in a bullock cart or horse cart which shakes you completely. It is the cool, drenched feeling after running in the rain. It is the joy of seeing blooming buds that we have grown. Happiness is making our own flavored food and serving it up for others and yourself. It is being healthy and able to stretch, turn, and be flexible in our movements. It is exploring the woods, villages, valleys, and seas and being wonderstruck by creatures popping up from nowhere. Happiness is having some time to delve deep into great books. It is forgetting ourselves in musical melodies and drifting into dance. It is splashing colored patterns and shapes on any material that we like. It is molding paper, cloth, stone, metal, etc. into delightful forms of our liking. Happiness means the passion for leading a peaceful and fulfilling life. It is the self-discovery that we have hidden qualities which we need to tap. It means realizing that we cannot have everything in life and so make the most of what we already have. Ecstasy is the insight that what you have within you is the best possible. It is the understanding that space is the limit and we can always try to reach that physically or mentally. Elation is the observation of nature in all its forms, mild and wild, gentle and warm. Exhilaration is that heady rush of joy as we head towards a long-awaited adventure trip. Happiness is the contented feeling that few people are there for us, who will stand for us and support us always, no matter what. Joy is the excitement of sitting in the top front of a double-decker bus and feeling that you are driving it. The list of happy moments will go on and on. What generates happiness for you? Do let us know and share your views with us. Thanks for watching. See you then in our next episode.